Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want you guys to come with me while we create this masterpiece together. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am Lala Peace Corner. If you're just joining this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're also very much welcome. So this weekend is one of my apprentices. She's getting married, so our elder sister came in to make her hair for the traditional marriage, and she's making shuku. So we start off by sectioning our hair into two parts, and I'm making some few braid at the middle part so that while we are packing the shuku up, it won't be that painful. The tensions will not be that much on our scalp, so that's the reason for the braids at the middle. So guys, please relax and enjoy the rest of the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. If you have not like this video, share this video, and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you guys, and I will see you at the end of the video. Now with this hairstyle, applied mousse and spray and everything to the hair. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how crown. Look at how beautiful she is looking. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.